Alright, hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Ziki Akimbola speaking. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can solve this particular query when you have your registration telling you that commencement date of business has actually been exceeded, right? So if you add commencement date to your registration, so if you are carrying out the registration today and you backdate for more than 28 days, then it will ask you to pay commencement day fee for those number of days that exceeds the 28 days. I don't know if that illustration is clear, right? So this is in line with the section 815 of the CAMA 2020. So this is the query that we're going to be resolving in today's video. So what I want you to take note of is that this query can be avoided. I've made several videos on how you can avoid this particular query, but if you have not watched my video, I want you to go and watch the video now, right now, to see how you can avoid this query. But right now you're watching this video because you have the query, and this is how you can resolve the query. So let's go to the screen and let me show you what you need to do. So what you need to do before we even go to the screen is this: the payment. You can see according to this query, it is asking for a particular payment to be made, and that payment, you don't know where you are going to be making that payment, obviously, right? You are told to pay the sum of 150 naira per day, right, in line with the section 815 comma 2020. So if you are multiplying 8 times 150 naira per day, that's going to be about 1200 naira, right? So the 1200 naira that will be paid, where do you pay this money to? You are going to see that on the query dashboard. When you check your registration, you're not going to be seeing anything like this. So what do you do in this situation? So this is what you do. All you need to do is go to your browser, and then once you get to your browser, you go to the remitter platform. And don't go ahead of yourself, just hold on and watch this video from beginning to the end. So you go to the remitter platform. Once you go to the remitter platform, no, remitter.net, that's all you want to search for: remitter.net. Okay, once you come to remitter.net, you would see a platform that looks like this. All you want to click on is the want to pay a particular bill, and the bill you want to pay for, don't forget, make sure you are funded depending on the payment method that is suitable for you. Make sure that you have funded your wallet, right? Make sure your wallet is funded before you proceed. All right, so once you get to this place, like I said initially, you're going to be proceeding to click on, I don't know if you can see all my video. Okay, my screen is covering that. So all you need to do right now is to go and click on the option that says pay the federal government, right? This option that says pay TSA and state, pay the tertiary single account and state. Click on that, and once you see this option, you will see different states you can make payment to, but what your concern is the federal government of Nigeria, right? So you click on federal government in Nigeria, and it's going to load up and show you another page, right? So we're going to load up and show you another page. Now on this new page, it's going to be showing you the the account details. You're going to be able to select the details you are going to be able to make payment to. So let's go there right directly. So here now you just start typing corporate. Now this is the way you will know if you know how to spell Corporate Affairs Commission, right? See, the spelling is CORPOR, right? CORPOR. Most people attempted to type COORPE. So right, so you are tempted to type in something wrong. So if you don't type in the correct thing, you will not see this number. Or you go ahead and type in 0222 026 00100. That way you'll be able to get connected to this particular account, right? So all you need to do here right now is to type in the purpose, right? So here now I'm going to be typing in the details. What do you want to pay for? You can, if you go through all these options, you will see that there's no option that has to do with commencement date, right? Commencement date. Nothing has to do with commencement if you type search for the C details, right? So all we need to do is scroll down and search, put in for miscellaneous, right? So miscellaneous option will cover for any payment that you don't know the proper description. So here now is where you want to do the proper description. You are going to be telling them that you have payment for, right? You can see that I have a template here that says okay, this one is name correction. So here you are going to be telling them what you are paying for, and the payment is going to be commencement, right? Commencement date for the name of the company. So let me get the name of the company very quickly. The name of the company is, where is it? Okay, so for this particular company, okay, let me copy the name of the company. Okay, copy the full name. Okay, so for this particular company, Felidos Concept. Okay, for 8 days. How many days? 8 days. 8 days, which will give us what? We're supposed to give us about 1,200 naira, right? So that's supposed to be the amount we are paying. So commencement date query, right? Commencement date query for that particular company. So that way we've been able to get to make the payment for commencement date, right, of the business, right? Commencement date. So once we insert all those details, commencement date for the name of the company for 8 days, 1,200. So that's good to go. So the state, just leave it at the headquarter because it's the headquarter that will be addressing. So the name of the principal is requesting for the name of the. So here now, if you want to do well, right, you add the name reservation code for the company. Add the name reservation code. You know it's not a register, so you add the name reservation code in that bracket. So name of the company, add the name of the proprietor. So let's say this is the name of the proprietor. Um, Amount you want to pay. Don't forget we are paying 1,200, right? So payee name. Now, this is what we are going to be doing. That's very important. In this particular option, this name of principal, delete this and put the payee's name here. And in this name of principal, put the name of the company. The name of the company should be here, right? The name of the company should be in the name of principal. So that way you have been able to show the name of the company, and have been able to show the name of the payer, and also the email address, and the phone number would also be added, right? So once you do that, then you proceed and click on the robot. I'm not a robot sign, and you go ahead and scroll down and go ahead and make your payment. I hope that is clear. So let's do that very quickly. So I'm trying to verify, and it's just bringing up all these options that I don't like at then. Okay, so click on submit, and then go ahead and make your payment very quickly. Once you click on submit, brings up your remitter. So there are different options to pay on through remitter, right? So it's loading up. Allow it to load up. Okay. All right, so we can select the best option for us. So I have made videos to show you the different options you can use, and you can watch my video around here to see the different options I've recommended for you to use when making payment. So in this case, we are going to be using the card option. So let me put in my card details very quickly, and then I'll proceed to make the payment very quickly as well. So let's go. So I'll be putting my card details. Somehow I have my card details stored here, and then voila. Okay, I need to impute that particular details. So once I impute that particular details, all right, I think that will be done, and then I can go ahead and make click on payment. All right, I think I've clicked on payment, so I'm going ahead to check my notification for the one OTP that was sent. Okay, so the OTP is 7403. Okay, okay, so I've clicked on this. So the payment has been successfully made and confirmed. So I can get the receipt in two ways. The receipt will be sent to the email address I provided, and the receipt will also be given to me this way. So you can see the receipt. Now there's a difference between the receipt and the invoice, right? The invoice is showing you. So okay, this is the print invoice. Let's print the invoice so that I see. Okay, so payment. Now you can see that this one is carrying payment receipt. The invoice most times is the one that just contain the error and you are yet to make payment. So I'll go ahead and download this, and then once you download it, let me put it on my download. All right, once you're done download it, okay, let me name it something else. uh okay, let's name it something like this that's related to the company. Okay, click on save. Okay, receipt, you cannot stress me. Receipt for company. Aha. So you cannot stress me. All right, so I have the receipt now. All you need to do now is go ahead and log into your account. Once you get to your account, now you go to, okay, let's fill in these details. Stairs, verify. Uh-huh. Let's quickly log in and let me show you something. So you now go to where the account where the query is showing up. So once you get to the account where the query is showing up, all you need to do is come to where the query is. So on this particular account, I don't have any company that is query. When you come to the query portion, now you will see on this particular part where you have. So let me show you something here. So you know when you are okay, this is for a trustee. Let's look for a business name. Okay, this is a business name. So on the query portion, right, when you get to this upload, you can see upload. This upload has means of identification, signature, and then the passport. So you can see where you have others. Others. This others is the option where you're going to be using to upload that particular. You just click on upload. Go ahead and upload that particular document, right? Go ahead, select the document, the receipt, upload it, and once you're done, save and continue, and then go ahead and answer the query. So it's as simple, and go ahead and click on the fact that you have responded to the query. So it's as simple as that. And I told you initially in my previous video how you can overcome this particular issue. I've told you how I registered a business name for over 1 year and I didn't get this commencement date query. The thing is, the rule is very simple. Let me break it down to you. This is what you do. You make sure that within, okay, no, this commencement date error um is actually very a bit tricky. Now the only thing is that you must make sure that you don't leave your business registration unattended to at least within 28 days. So if you attend to a query, you make sure that you keep attending to it, even though maybe you are looking for a documentation and you exceed, so that you will not exceed the 28 days. And for you to get this documentation, it will take more than 28 days. So all you need to do, go and mark the query as resolved. They will query it again. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying. So they want you to keep checking up on registration. That's why this commencement date error is there. I hope this video has helped you. If it has helped you, give this video a thumbs up. Watch the next video to see how you can go ahead and maintain your annual return filing and other registration processes. Thank you. My name is Akinbola Ezekiel, and I'll see you in other videos.